Hi and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough solve of the Calvin's 3x3x5 Cuboid. And I think there aren't enough videos on YouTube of the stickerless version of this puzzle, so I thought I'd make a walkthrough solve. And so yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing that I do, I put in the bottom edges regardless of color, just as far as shape, edges and corners. So I make the, I have my cross, put in the corners, any corner, just intuitive moves. Doesn't matter at this point which color, just anything goes. Okay, so I have the bottom section, and for the middle layer, I put in the proper edge pieces. So like on a 3x3, so this goes here. So just use 3x3 algorithms to put it in. Green, white goes here. Okay, now I just flip the top edges. And then the top corners. Bit catchy, but not too much, but a little bit. Okay, so I now have it back into cuboid shape with this middle strip correctly placed. Now I solve it as a cuboid. So I'm going to start with the bottom section. I put in the edges. And now on the Calvin's puzzle, you could see the colors here, and I'm just going to ignore them. I'm curious to see if that's going to make any difference, because so far I usually put in the right ones, but if I ignore them, I'm wondering if I'm going to get any kind of different type of parity situation here. So let's see. Okay, so I put in the green. Maybe I'll intentionally put in the wrong one. So this is an orange. It should be on top, but I'm going to put it in here. And then this one, so I'll put in one wrong one, and the rest I'll put in the right ones. This is in. Okay, so now I put in the corners. So let's see. Okay, now top layer, I have these two headlights, so these two are swap. Swap these two. Swap these two. This one's gonna go into place. have 2 more. So it looks like I do get the parity because I put the wrong one in intentionally. So I think I put 3 wrong in and 1 right. So okay, so I put everything in, and you can see I get this parity and fix it with the standard algorithm. Okay, I'm just curious to see which edges I have. Are they all right? Look in the color. So this one is wrong. I see it's a red. It should be an orange. And this is, so 2 are wrong and 2 are right. So if you put in an odd number that's right or wrong, then you get the parity. But if you follow the colors properly, or you put them all, you know, or an even number, then you don't get the parity. Okay, so now let's do the bottom layer, put in the edges. This one is in, and this one is in. Put in the corners. What am I doing? Hold on. Oh, this is the wrong one. What do I have left? Oh, how did that happen? Somehow I mixed up the edges. Put the right ones back in. Okay, do the corners again. So let's see, this one. And these 2. Okay. Bottom layer is done. Headlights, these 2 we need to swap. And no parity on this layer. So let's first swap these 2. And then the adjacent swap. Okay, so the puzzle is solved, though I do have 2 pieces incorrect. On a normal cuboid that wouldn't matter, but because they put the colors in, so here technically you could say it's not fully solved. Wondering if there's any easy way that I could swap these with the right ones. What do you think? So this one's out and this one's out, so if I do this, maybe I do an edge swap. Wondering if that's gonna, maybe I put this one to the side and I put this and I do an edge swap. Let's see what happens. So 4, 2. Okay, now the other edge swap that I need to do. Okay, so let's see. So if I flip this, and I put the green in, I swap it with that green. Okay, and then I flip this back. So as far as the middle layers, I think I did fix the situation. I messed up top and bottom a little bit, but we could fix that quite easily. Okay. Okay, bottom layer is good. Headlights here. Okay, now let's see. So I have two adjacent edge swaps. Now I put in the other two. Okay, so now I think everything is fully solved according to the colors on that layer. And yeah, so that's how you do a solve of a 3x3x5. Thanks for watching. Until next time.